Hello students. Now let us see about linear layout. So linear layout is one type of layout. We have already seen frame layout. So in linear layout we can place many views in single activity inside linear layout. All these views will be arranged vertical or in horizontal manner. So in linear layout we can set two properties: linear layout horizontal and linear layout vertical. So as we can see, here is the code for Android activity underscore main.xml file. So here we have given linear layout tag. So these are the linear layout tags added. So the linear layout tag starts here and it ends in the last line. Within this there is only one text view. So here in this example we have used only one text view. So it is arranged in a linear layout. One text view is arranged within linear layout. So here Android is to orientation property is set to vertical. So there are many other properties. Here they have used Android is to layout width, height and orientation. So width and height is set to fill parent. So fill parent tells us that the test view inside this will take the size of the parent. That means the size of the activity. So the orientation property is set to vertical. Within linear layout there is one text view. The width and height for text view is set. The width is set to fill parent, height is set to wrap content. Android is to text for text view is set to @string hello. So text is set to just hello. So this is the example with only one text view inside linear layout. So there are many other attributes used along with layouts. So for all the views we can use many properties. The main properties we use is width and height. Other properties we shall see later. Now we shall look for another example using linear layout. So here is another example using linear layout. So there are two diagrams. In the left we can see three buttons arranged in vertical layout manner. In the right here we can see three buttons arranged in horizontal layout manner. We can see the code now. So in the activity underscore main.xml file, so linear layout tag is started. The orientation property is set to horizontal. So first button, so it has property width, height, text property is button, gravity property that is in alignment. Another one weight property is again set to 1. Then another button. Then we have third button. So here we have third button. So this is the coding for button element added. So button element is also added inside linear layout. So there are three buttons in this code. So the right side of the diagram is the output for this coding. Now let us look combining two different linear layouts. So we can combine two linear layouts with different orientations. So we are combining vertical orientation as well as horizontal orientation. So this is the output. So in the output we can see that there are three text views. Text 1, text 2. The text views are displaying the message text 1, text 2 and text 3. And we can also see three button views. So button 1, button 2 and button 3, we can also see three button views. So the coding for this is followed. So they have given the steps also. So after that they have given the coding which has to be created in activity underscore main.xml file. So the linear layout is starting. So inside the linear layout, here there is text view 1. So this is the text view 1. Afterwards there is text view 2. Afterwards there is text view 3. So this is the text view 3. So there are three text views inside linear layout. So the property of the linear layout is Android is to orientation vertical. So we can see the Android is to orientation vertical property. So then we have another linear layout. So already we have seen one linear layout inside the activity underscore main.xml file. Now we can see another linear layout starting here. So in this linear layout there are three buttons. So in this linear layout there are three buttons, 1, 2 and 3. So in all these button height width property is set. So the button will display the text message inside Android is to text property. So if the message is button 1, it will be displaying the caption of the button will be button 1. So then the ID variable name is stored in Android is to ID property. So for this the output is, first the text views are arranged vertically and the button views are arranged horizontally. Likewise we can design many activities as we wish using the layouts. Thank you. We shall meet with another layout in next video.